how to close your Bunq account and remove a payment method. So for that, the very first thing that you want to do is empty all of your account. For that, transfer all the money out of your sub accounts. So you can simply transfer all of the money out of your sub accounts and then make your balance null, which is basically $0. So after doing that, now what we're going to do is simply get to our profile. For that, tap on the profile icon on the top left corner. After doing that, you can actually get the option of plan, right? Simply tap on plan option in the Bunq app, and then from there you can select the option of close account at the very bottom. So simply scroll all the way down and then tap on that option, and then what you're going to do is simply verify your account. So after doing that, that's all you need to do in order to close your Bunq account and remove any sort of payment method. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.